Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 4th of September 2020 question. Question number 2. Consider two statements S1 is equal to, two statements are given here. Negation of P implies negation Q if and only if negation P is a tautology and S2 is such that negation Q and P implies Q is a falsy, then four options are given. This is a memory based question and the question in the house of tautology. So at first let's draw the truth table. Here is the truth table for S1. This is the truth table for S1. So at first it is our P and it is Q. P and Q, it is negation of P. Here it is negation of Q. It is negation this portion negation of Q if and only if negation of P, and then finally negation P, this one negation P implies negation Q if and only if negation P. So this is our truth table for statement 1 S1. Here at first true, true, false, false, and Q is, then it is true, true. If P true, Q true. If P true, Q false. If P false, Q true. And if P false and Q also false. First, this is negation of P. If Q true, P true, that is false. This true and this false, that is also false. This false, this true, that is also true. This is false, that is true. Now negation of Q. Negation of Q here, true, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, it is false, 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 it is true. Now negation Q, false, if and only if negation P, it is also true here. Negation Q, true, if and only if negation P, so it is false. Negation Q, false, if and only if negation P, negation P is true here, so it is false. Negation Q is true, if and only if negation P, then it is obviously true. So finally negation P is false here and this is true, so it is true. Negation P is false and this is false, so it is true. Negation P is true here and it is false, so it is once again false here. And negation P is true and it is true, so it is true here. This shows that all the options are not true. So it is not a tautology. So all are not true. So it is not a tautology. So the statement 1 is S1 is false here. S1 shows false here. Now the statement 2. Now for statement 2, it is S2. S2 gives that it is, just write the two tables. It is negation Q and P, and it is negation Q and P implies Q. So what happens if negation Q is false here and negation P, so it becomes false. Negation Q true and P, so it is true. Negation Q false and P, it is false here. Negation Q true and P false, so it is true here. And finally negation Q and P implies Q. Negation P, it is false and it is true. It is false, it is true. So what this one is false. This one is false, as negation Q is false, true, and P is false, so it is false here. And this one is false and this is true, so it is true. This one is false and it is false, so it is false. This one is false here and implies this one is true, so it is true here. And obviously this is false, this is false implies, so it is true. False implies false is true. So here we show all the statements. So here we show that all the statements are not false here. All are not false here. So S2 obviously false, because if it is tautology then everything is true, and if it is falsy then everything is false here. So all the statement S1 and S2 is false. So S1 is false statement and S2 is false statement. So our option is option 4. Both are false. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.